passion fruit juice. It's so cold. Guys, what's up? So in this evening, I decided to go to Save One Goal Market. Yeah, the Save One Goal Market is just located here around Honyotin Road in Bangkok, and I went to see what really happens on Monday evening. Yeah, so people come from their homes to this market to buy street food. This is chicken here, and I've come to realize that actually the market on Monday, it has low attendance than weekend days, that is Friday night, Sunday and Saturday. When it is Saturday or Sunday, this road here, this walking street here is all full of people, like people buying, eating food. I think that was seafood. It is a low turn up. People can always sit there. So these are couples. Okay, let's try here. And here they do sell pizza homemade for 25 baht. I love the decorations here. Look at those lights. There are varieties of street food, and you can buy from any stall that you want. They also have like juice. Yeah, now this one is a passion fruit juice, not smoothie. Yeah, they also have smoothie, but this one is juice. It costed me 35 bahts. I don't want to make this video too long. It should be kinda short. If you buy any item here to eat, you just sit somewhere here, or you sit on the main road, and yeah, look at these ones, look so delicious. This is chicken, fried chicken. She live. Save One Goal Market. Oh, this is fresh bread. What is this? Banh mi Saigon. This is cold seafood mixed with spicy. Pork dessert. This is bread. fresh watermelon. Let me give you a tour, guys. There is fish here. There is street food here. Crabs. Wow. This is steak. I guess that is steak. And this market has a lot to offer. Actually, it doesn't only have food stuff. They also have clothing. Yeah, over the other side. Yeah, not here. Banana, smoothie, ice cream. Now this is another section where you can sit after buying something. Yeah, you come and sit this side. Look at these guys here. Fried chicken. This is seafood. Corn juice. You see corn juice here? Corn juice, passion fruit, avocado, they're all here. Can you imagine? I told you that today the turn up is low, but on other days like Friday, Saturday, man, a lot of traffic here, human congestion. I think I should also buy pizza. I should buy pizza. What do you think? Let me pass here. I should buy pizza. There's a lady who sells me nice pizzas. She has nice pizza. Let me try to see if she opened. Need to see if she opened. Sure. Where does she work from? She's not here. Wow, this one smells so good. Huh? Okay. Let me look for that lady. Let me look for her. She has tasty. She does have test pizzas. Oh, I think she did not work. You can see her. Okay. Okay. Strawberries here. Okay, let me have some pizzas from this guy. I'll eat pizza. Okay. Yeah. Let me order the pizza here. I'll have one. Guys, I'm going to buy pizza. guys, here is my pizza. Each piece goes for 25 bahts. This is homemade pizza. Just bought it here in the market, Save One Gold Market. This is bacon. Yeah, bacon and pineapple. This is the pizza for hot dog. Yeah, hot dog and bacon maybe. So let's give it a try here. Alright guys, let me enjoy my dinner with this beautiful passion fruit juice. Oh, it's so cold. Mmm.